Hey guys, today I am doing the unboxing of this router from Xiaomi. Its model is 4C, as you can see on the box. So some of its features, it has 4 antennas, as you can see on the box. And what more interesting is you can control its behavior through MI Wi-Fi app. So that's quite cool thing. And I have got it for 1000 rupees. I have bought it from the MI official store, and its MRP is around 1200, as you can see on the label. So I will be making one more video how you can control its behavior through app. So this is basically about the unboxing only. So you can use this router both as a repeater or a router, and you can also control the bandwidth for a particular user which is connected to this router. These are also some of the features. Okay, now let's unbox it. So as you can see in the box, this is basically the router with 4 antennas. So what else this box has, let's see. So it has one charger, and this is basically a manual and how you can configure this router. So it has got pretty cool packing, as you can see. Okay, just a minute. I want to show you all buttons which it has. So as you can see, this is how it looks from the front. So it has got 3 ports, as you can see. One is definitely for charger. So I will be making one more video how you can control its behavior through app. Till then, bye. And please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.